Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a very exciting video. I am really buzzing over this still, literally, oh my god, it's amazing. So you'll probably be able to tell that one eye makeup is done and the other one is not. So we are going to be doing a makeup video today. And are you ready for this? So you know I was saying to you that I've got onto iHeart Revolution's PR list. Look what they sent me today. Oh my god, you guys. I literally screamed when I got it because it's just like, it feels like an achievement. It feels like something that I've worked hard for that I just didn't think I would do. I mean, when you become a blogger and an influencer, obviously you do get sent things, but because I'm such a small channel, as you can see, and I'm a small influencer on Instagram, I'm just so amazed that a brand like these guys would send me this, and I'm just so happy. And they just reached out to me one morning. I literally woke up. If you haven't seen the vlog, you should watch it. It's called I Can't Believe I've Done This or something, I can't remember. And literally, I woke up that morning and I just saw this message saying, would you like to be put onto our UK list? And I was like, to bear shit in the woods, like, of course I do. So I'm so happy, you guys. So this came today, and I was watching Instagram and I saw their story. I saw iHeart Revolution story and I knew what I was going to be getting if I got it. And I thought, I wonder if I get this package, or I wonder if I get like a next one or something, because you don't get sent everything. And then boom, postman's downstairs with this big box, and I'm like, I think this could be, well, you know, I was going mental. So anyway, so you open it. I'm going to be putting this in a vlog as well, so that'll be up on Sunday, but just for now, because we are going to be doing a makeup video. So you take the lid off and you open it. It's quite big, and then you get, oop, you see this here, which, well, first of all, actually, it came like this, where it says, smell me, squeeze me, love me. So I turned it around just so I can show you guys as well. So you drive me glazy. You get 5 delicious palettes to try, to obviously try out, right, for you guys. They sent me all 5 and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. So there's a chocolate dipped, raspberry icing, strawberry sprinkles, blueberry crush and maple glazed. And I put it on my Instagram, what one do you want to see first of all, and you guys chose the strawberry icing. I put between this one and, what did I do? I think I put strawberry and chocolate, and you guys said you wanted to see the strawberry one, so look at it. Look how cool these are. That is the one that we are going to do. I'd like you to tell me after the video in the comments down below what look you would like me to do, like what donut you want to see next. So if you want to see how, look at this little cute packaging. So it's like literally like a donut where you open it. Look, how cute is this? Are you kidding me? So this is the little donut that you get. And first of all, look, it's squidgy. How cool is that? It's all squidgy, which I love. I think that's interesting. And this is the donut, the packaging. On the back, you get the colours. So this one is the strawberry sprinkles, and you get all the nice colours. Sorry about my makeup everywhere. So on the back, you get strawberry sprinkles, the name, and you get the colours. So these ones here. And then when you open it, you get this little palette with a little mirror. How cute. I flipping love this. I think it's so cool. So in the palette, you've got some really lovely colours in there. I think they're so pretty. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours. And what I love about these palettes is, as straight off, like first thing, is that you get matte colours and shimmers. So it's such a good thing if you want to create an eye makeup look of any sort. So if you would like to see, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's put the hair back. I like to use these clips to put my hair back. Just find it easier. And we are going to begin. So the first colour that I would do is use the lightest colour, and this is going to be like my transition colour. So I'm going to pick this colour up here. And I'm just going to start working that into my crease. Just back and forth. It's a very, very light colour, but it is pigmented, but it is quite a light colour, and you just want to work that back and forward into your crease. So after that, I then go in with, where's that other brush? Then after, that's not it. Okay, after that, I'm going to go in onto the outer corners. So I'm going to go in with this darker colour, which is a shimmer. And I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. Look how pigmented that is. It's just crazy. These palettes are so pigmented. I love it. Absolutely love it. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner as well. We're going to do a halo eye today. I just feel like this palette is so good because you get mattes and you get shimmers. So it really allows you to kind of get any look that you want. Like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some concealer and I'm going to do a little halo to create the halo eye. So I like to take a very, very thin flat brush for this. And I'm going to use some concealer. So I use one with a wand. I just find it easier. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. I love this concealer, by the way. And just picking a tiny bit up, I'm just going to pop that, not that eye, I'm going to pop that in the middle. And I'm going to create like a little section where we can apply some shimmers. On the other side of that brush, I'm going to go in with that middle colour. And we are going to apply that in the middle. I'm just going to kind of pack it on for now. It's dripping on me. Sprinkling on me. Strawberry sprinkles. Aha. Okay. Look, all that in my lash. What the hell? Okay, so now we've got that shimmer colour. I need to add a little bit more to this one now. Okay, so now we've got this. I'm going to take that same colour real quick. And I'm going to pop that on this bit, just like where the tear duct is going in. And then with a different brush, I'm going to go in with the shimmer colour, that pink shimmer, that one, and I'm going to take that underneath. Then with the first blending brush that we used, which was this one, this one? I can't remember now. I think so. First blending brush, we're going to pick up that first colour, which is that nudie beigey colour, and we are just going to make sure that everything is blended in nicely, like so. Also, you just want to go in and out, like keep going back and forwards, picking up that outer corner, because you will lose it as you're blending it in, like that. So that's pretty much the look that I've done. Now what I like to do just to clean everything up is take that same concealer, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line from here up, and it just makes it look a lot cleaner. This is what I like to do. And then using a brush, I'm just going to blend it in. And then look, it just gives you that nice sharp look. And it gives you a nice sharp look, but I like to use it as well for being able to do my wing. It helps me get that wing kind of thing, like where I need my wing. Okay, so I'm going to go away and I'm going to put some mascara, some liner and some lashes, and I'll be back. And there we go. So we're back and this is the final look. I am really happy with the way it turned out. Don't know why these lashes are not sticking. It's a really pretty look. It's definitely very pink and strawberry. I've definitely stayed with the strawberry vibes, but I really love it. First impressions of the palette. So first impressions of the palette is definitely, look how cute it is. Like, I can't get over how cute this is already. I love the fact that it's different and squidgy, and that's what I love about I Heart Revolution. This is why they're my favourite brand, because they're so different and they're so unique, and you can see the quality and the effort that goes into every single product. They're so different. And when I walked into Superdrug for the first time I ever saw I Heart Revolution, I walked into a Superdrug and I saw this big sign saying I Heart Revolution with all these chocolate palettes on their display, and I was like, who are these? Like, I don't know this brand. They're so cool. I love the way they've got their I love the chocolate. I love the kind of thing that they're doing, little dupes and stuff. I just love the brand. I love how vibrant and colourful and fruity, and they just do things that are different. Like, they do stuff with food, they do stuff with chocolate, they do stuff with different colours, they name their stuff really cool. I love the names of everything they bring out. I just love I Heart Revolution. I'm sure you guys know that by now. So I'm so happy that they have sent me this stuff out. But I love the packaging. When you open the product, when you open the palette up, I love the fact that it gives you a mirror, because I just feel like that is just really handy for what you, like, for anything. If you're on the train, you can just sit there and just do your makeup. You can check your makeup out. You can do so much with a little mirror. And I love the fact that if you just want to do one simple look, then you've just got to take this with you in your little travel bag. You haven't got to take a massive palette. So I like the fact that they've done that. I love everything about this palette. There's nothing I would like to change at all. And for the price of it, £5 for this gorgeous little palette. What I think's cute is the fact that everyone is going to ask what these are, because they're so different. Like, even my fiance, when I was opening the PR package, he was like, what the hell are they? They're donuts. That's awesome. That's what I love about the brand. They know how to get your attention and they know how to draw people in. Because imagine if that is in your bag at work and someone goes to borrow a lip gloss and they see this and they're like, what the heck is that? And then they open it and they see it's a palette. They're going to be like, oh my god, like, who is this brand? So I love the fact that they're very vibrant and out there, and I think their marketing is incredible, and I'm just so happy I can work to do that. I'm so happy they're allowing me to promote their products. I think that's amazing and stuff. So thank you so much, I Heart Revolution. I love you from the bottom of my heart and I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for sending me this stuff. So yeah, I'm obsessed, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed doing this makeup with me. I hope you enjoyed this look. You've seen how simple and how quick it is and how easy it is. Literally just a few little brushes and this palette, and Bob's your uncle. You can get a proper halo eye. What one do you want to see next? So I would like you to tell me what donut you want to see next. So please comment. Let me just get this. This box is playing me. I've opened it about 20 times today and it's just playing me. It just seriously is playing me. So out of these palettes, I would like you to, sorry, out of these donuts, I'd like you to tell me I'd like you to tell me which one you want to see next. So it was between chocolate dipped and strawberry sprinkles, and you guys said strawberry sprinkles. That's what I've done. So I'd like you to choose. Please comment down below what one you want to see next. It's all up to you. I'm going to do everything that you guys want me to. It's nothing to do with me. I've got my little goodies here, so it's your turn. Let me know what you want to see. Also, please follow my Instagram. I'll put it on there. I'll put it in the corner there. Please follow it, because I would like you to vote on there which ones you want to see next. So I'm going to put between like two. So I might put between chocolate dipped and blueberry crush, and then you can choose which one you want to see. Please let me know what little donut you want to see next, and I will do that for you guys. So the next video will be next Tuesday, because a vlog will be up on Sunday. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you to everyone. I would love to get to 2k. What?
Mum's on the phone.
Oh, I'll speak to her in a minute.
When? Should I tell us call back?
5 minutes. So, yeah, so please make sure to follow my Instagram. Subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe. If you're new or if you're here again, hi, welcome. Yeah, so thank you guys for everything, because I wouldn't be getting these kind of packages if it wasn't for you and your support. So thank you, and I will see you in another video. I love you. Bye.